Hi everybody, we're going to be doing some coffin earrings. These blanks can be found at Seaside Sass Designs. They have a store on Etsy and also a Facebook group. I'll make sure I put the links so that you can purchase different blanks for earrings. These ones are the coffin ones, so we're going to press these today. One thing to remember when you're pressing these blanks, there is a film on them that you have to remove before you press them. So we're going to go ahead and do that first. I already have my designs printed out, so this is going to be just a quick little tutorial. We're going to go ahead and take the design and put the blank white facing down on the design. There is a bleed line on these coffins. I made the designs for these, so you'll be able to see perfect placement for these. And I'm just going to take some tape. Want to make sure you use heat tape and secure it to the paper so that it doesn't move during pressing. We're going to go ahead and do both of these at the same time. And we have our press already preheated to 400 degrees and 60 seconds. I want to make sure I get it on there straight. And there is a little tiny bit of wiggle room on these designs. Try to make sure there's enough where you don't have to have it on there exact. Okay, so we got those on there. We're going to put just a little bit more tape. Make sure it doesn't move. You can use adhesive spray also. Sometimes I use this spray instead of tape. Just depends on my mood. Both work fine. Okay, so we're just going to flip these over. We want the transfer side to be up towards the heat press. And I always do mine on a sheet of paper just to make sure that I don't get any ink on the bottom of my press. And we're going to fold this over just to make sure we don't get any on the top of our press either. And I do like to move it in the middle so it gets a nice even press. We're going to do 400 for 60 seconds with a medium to heavy pressure. And we'll be right back. Alright, we're going to go ahead and open up the press and take these out and see what we got. Now remember, these are going to be hot. So you'll probably want to use heat gloves of some sort. I personally don't use them. I have to be able to feel it to do anything, so I just kind of burn myself a lot. Alright, we got that one off. I'll set that to the side for a minute so it can cool off. And then peel this one off. These are super cute. I'll be making coffin earrings probably for like the next 2 months. Can't stop making them. Okay, so you can see what they look like when they're done. Super cute. And I'll show you some of the other ones I've done. These are the other designs that we did yesterday. I just got to get hooks for them and put those on. Yeah, super easy. All her blinks pretty much work that way. Super easy and fast. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you go buy some blanks from her. Those designs are available in my Etsy store and on design bundles as well. So I'll make sure that there's links for those. Thanks. Have a great day.